constructed a new building.
Oh, where is the FIR?
Yes, there is no FIR, but police 3 days went to their house to arrest them without
Acha.
FIR. We have inquired in the police station and before the concerned PI code. No case is pending against us. But despite that, police is searching the petition.
Okay. Heard Mr. M.U. Mandal, learned counsel for the applicant, and also heard Mr. Ajay Borwa, learned additional PP for the state respondent. This application under section 438 services prepared by 6 applicants, namely Zakir Hussain, Kamaruddin Sheikh, Jitendranath Bhakot, Saibul Haq, Mohizur Rahman, Ibrahim Fakir, who have been apprehending arrest in connection with any case lodged by
the Secretary of the Waterhart
lodged by the Secretary of
Waterhart Gaupanchayat.
Waterhart.
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 Waterhart. GP
Gaupanchayat.
Gaupanchayat. Waterhart Gaupanchayat. Mr. Mandal, learned counsel for the applicant, submits that as per his information, no case has been registered against the present applicants, but they are being searched by police for last 3 days.
Yes. On 7/2, 11/2, and 14/2.
7/2, 11/2, and 14/2. And in view of above, it is provided that Mr. Borwa, learned additional PP, shall obtain a written report from the officer in search, who is PS?
It's
Guluganj.
Guluganj
PS, as to whether any case has been registered on the basis of one FIR lodged by the Secretary of Gau Panchayat against the present applicant, fixing the matter on when, Borwa?
The day after tomorrow, Lord.
Day after tomorrow.
But till then, no coercive action against taken.
Admittedly, no case has been registered.
Let us get
Till
the
then,
information, Lordship.
Since we are the PT businessman, and the first petitioner is the husband of the president. Now allegation might have been against the president, not against me, because I am the husband.
What for day after tomorrow?
Oblige, Lord. Now in second case, Lordship will find the FIR, my lord.
Tanzit Devnath.
Page 9, my lord. The petitioner is the landlord, and the informant is the tenant. Because of some tussle regarding the revenue or the rent of the rented house, this affair has been lost. Page 9. And tenancy agreement, Lordship, will find at page 15.
Let him appear, my lord, before the. Let him appear, Lordship.
Yes, I will appear, my lord. He is a student also, my lord, law third year.
Okay, heard Mr. M.A. Mandal, learned counsel for the applicant, and also heard Mr. Ajay Borwa, learned additional PP for the state respondent. Apprehending arrest in connection with Jalukbari PS case number 64 of 2024 under section 457, 454, 511 IPC. This application under section 438 services prepared by applicant Tanzit Devnath for grant of PRSV. The above case has been registered on the basis of an FIR lodged by one Sima Day on 15/2/2024. The essence of allegation made in the FIR dated so and so is that. That on the evening of 12 February 2024 at about 16 50 hours. She got a call from Donjit Demnan that he has forcefully broken the lock and has opened her shop in absence of anyone of her family with no reason. And therefore she suspects that he has stolen goods from her shop. Mr. Mandal, learned counsel for the applicant submits that the applicant is the landlord and the informant is tenant, and that because of some disputes, the informant has lost a false case against the applicant, and he is ready to cooperate with the investigating agency, and therefore it is contented to allow the petition. On the other hand, Mr. R.J. Bora, learned additional fee, submits that is there a Bora?
Malo case diary, Lordship.
Submits that address is this only case that it may be called for. But having heard the submission of learned advocates of both sides, perusal of the case ID is found to be necessary, and accordingly it is provided that the learned additional petition produce the case ID before this court on
7 March.
On 7
Seven. Better. In the interim, considering the facts and circumstances on the record and also considering the nature and gravity of the offense as well as submission of learned advocates of both sides, it is provided that in the event of arrest of the applicant in connection with Jalukbari PS case number so and so under section so and so, he shall be released on interim period as well on his executing a bond of rupees 50,000 with 1 serial like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority. The above privilege is, however, subject to the following 3 conditions. Last condition is shall not leave the jurisdiction of CJ in Kamrup without prior permission.
Deep Lord bless you.
My lord, the date may be, my lord.
On 27th,
7.
27.
Oblige.
item 9,
May I please your lordship. So petitioner before your lordship is a notary lordship. Yes, what happened lordship will come to the page 20 lordship, the FIR lordship. The FIR was lodged by the father of a girl lordship. She is a major girl. And that 2 accused persons lordship, the mother and the son named in the FIR lordship. They
Page number, FIR is at page number
page 20 lordship.
20. 30 is the, what is page number 30?
At 3 lordship, there are some orders lordship.
No, 30
Or
is
30
the
is the
vernacular.
vernacular. Lordship may now come to page 10 lordship.
Let the city come. Borwa city on.
Case
Lordship
diary,
may
my
come to page 10, Lordship, because I am already on transit bail, Lordship, but I want to show. Lordship.
Maybe.
Yes,
You
Lordship
may
may,
be on transit bail.
Lord.
Yes.
Six, Lordship, 6th of March.
Lordship may come to page 10, Lordship. 10 is the, when apprehending arrest, Lordship, I have approached the session judge, Lordship. Then interim order was granted, Lordship.
That's all right. We are not bound by that order.
No, Lordship, CD was called for, Lordship. CD
Where?
No, their CD was called for, and at that time, Lordship, the case was transferred to Sansari, Lordship, from Mongolde police station.
Hmm.
So at that, then the assistant session judge, Lordship, granted transit bail and directed the petitioner to approach the court of competent jurisdiction.
Now, what is your submission?
My submission is that, Lordship,
We
will
should
give-
abide by the decision of the
No,
additional
Lordship.
session.
I'm
judge.
just praying for, Lordship, some interim
Sorry.
protection may be given, Lordship.
Sorry.
I will appear
6th
before
of
the-
March. Lordship.
6th of March.
6th of March.
Item 10.
My lord, this is 438 application. FIR at page 9, vernacular is 12. In a dispute pertaining to a sale of a plot of land, there are some difference between the terms and condition of that plot of that agreement, Your Honor. Agreement for sale. And the petitioners are the senior citizens, Your Honor, before this honorable court.
Let the city come.
And the interim may be
Sorry.
applies.
My lord, Kamalpur, Lordship, we can fix it on, my lord, 11th March.
11.
11 months.
Sort that Kamalpur is nearby
My
Guwahati.
lord, then 7, Lord.
Then
7.
7.
Item 11.
Maybe. The 438 application, Lordship, will find the FIR at page 8, Lordship. The petitioner here, Lordship, he is the Lakmandal, Lordship. On the basis of the certificate issued by the Gaonbura, Lordship, then mutation was done, Lordship. And the Gaonbura was already granted bail. Here is the.
We'll see the road led by you.
Case diary, Lordship.
Case diary on.
Also to give a short date, Lordship, because the government.
Yes. Sorted.
It's from
On 6 March.
Dolgaon,
Golgaon, Lordship.
6 March.
6. Item
Little
12.
Earlier, Lordship.
Pardon?
4th, Lordship.
Or possible?
Okay, 4 months. Item 12.
Made, please, your lordship. Lordship, this is a 438 bail application, lordship. The FIR lordship will find on page 30. And lordship, here this petitioner is the president of the president of lordship, Paschim Bodagaon, Seujian Nagar Masjid, and along with the village lordship. There, lordship, I am the contributor also, lordship. In this case was registered under 387, lordship. Notice was not issued to this petitioner, lordship. For the development person, lordship, we have collected. I have also, lordship, contributed, lordship. I have annexed that, I could not annex the document, lordship, but I placed that document, lordship, before lordship. Now, lordship, their development purpose, lordship, we have collected the money, lordship, we spend it to the development purpose of the village, lordship. Now, this petitioner, lordship, is an this informant. He is a land mafia, lordship, involved in anti-social activities, lordship. When he was asked to pay the money, lordship, he lost this FIR, lordship, saying that extortion, lordship. My lordship, I am given a flag mark, lordship. There first I have contributed, lordship. Monthly, we have contributed some amount for the development of this committee, lordship. Area and
Yes, Barwa?
kindly protect, lordship.
Let the case diary be called for, Lordship, and in the meantime, Lordship may directly appear before the IOB.
Heard Mr. B. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the applicant, and also heard Mr. R.J. Barwa, learned additional PP for the state respondent. This application under section 430 with services preferred by applicant Abbas Ali Ansari alias Akkas Ali for grant of arrest pay.
The last question. Last question.
Another one question. Who has been apprehending arrest in connection with Gorso PS case number 54 of 2024 under section 387 35. It's to be noted here that above noted case has been registered on the basis of one FIR lodged by Rasidul Islam on 11/2/2024. The essence of allegation made in the FIR dated so and so is that one Akkas Ali and Ramesh Ali, who are president and secretary of Pasim Boragaon,
Seojia Nagar Masjid, Guwahati. Poschim Boragaon Development Committee, Lordship.
used to extort money from the local people illegally. And they also subject the persons to mental torture if he refused to pay money. Mental and physical torture if he refused to pay money. And on 28/1/2024 at about 8:30 p.m., both the accused persons with some unknown persons came to his residence and demanded a sum of rupees 50,000 from him. And when he when he refused to make payment, then they have threatened him with dire consequences. Mr. Sodre, learned counsel for the applicant, submits that the applicant is the president or
Yes,
secretary?
President.
President of West Boragaon
Development, Seojia Nagar Development Committee, Lordship.
of Seusnagar Development Committee of West Boragaon. And for development of the place, they have collected money.
Yes.
And they are no way involved with the offense alleged, and they are ready to cooperate with the investigating agency, and therefore this contempt to allow the petition. On the other hand, Mr. R.J. Borwa, learned additional petition submits that case there may be called for. Having heard the submission of learned advocates of both sides, perusal of the case area is found to be necessary, and accordingly it is provided that case area be called for, fixing the matter on
15 March.
15 March. Having regards to the submission of learned advocates of both sides, and also considering the nature and gravity of the offense and the punishment prescribed for the same, this court is inclined to extend interim protection till receipt of the case area, and accordingly it is provided that in the event of arrest of the applicant in connection with Gorsok PS case number so and so under section so and so, he shall be released on interim period as well on his executing a bond of rupees 50,000 with one security of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority. Therefore, privilege is however subject to the following three conditions. Last condition, he shall not leave the jurisdiction of citizen Kamrup and without prior permission.
Highly obliged.
My lord, this is 438 bail application, my lord. FIR, my lord. Page 19, my lord. FIR page. Fifteen, my lord. Sorry.
Yes, sir.
My lord, the petitioners before your lordship, my lord. Kindly page 19, my lord.
Hmm.
Two numbers of attorney, my lord, from the original owner, my lord. Mukesh Rahman, my lord. This is attorney number 200, my lord. Dated 18/1/2020, my lord. Later on, my lord, another power of attorney, my lord. Page 25, my lord.
Hmm.
And in spite of the power of attorney, my lord, the petitioner, my lord, Hafiz Ali, my lord, purchased another plot, my lord, 1 Katha 6 Lesa, my lord, from another power of attorney holder, Salim Ali, my lord. Kindly page 31, my lord. This is the agreement for sale, my lord, executed, my lord, by Salim Ali. He is also, my lord, attorney holder, my lord.
Let the
1
city
Katha
come.
16 Lesa, my lord.
Let the city come.
Yes, my lord. Later on, my lord, we also executed one agreement, my lord. Page 36, my lord.
That's all right. We will produce the case ID. Borough city on.
Lord,
My lord, kindly interim
Fourth,
protection, my
okay.
lord.
Fourth.
Thing is that, my lord, one civil proceeding is going on, my lord.
Maybe,
And kindly page, my lord.
maybe.
Item number,
We'll see the material in the case ID.
item number 14,
May I please the lordship, 438 bail application lordship. Petitioner society, Lokemi Thrift and Credit Cooperative Society has been registered under Assam Cooperative Society Act 2017. Petitioner number 1 is a secretary of the said society, and petitioner number 2 is a treasurer, and petitioner number 3 is a staff of the said society lordship. Lordship,
Where is the FIR?
without FIRing lordship, police has been visited the petitioner office of the office and also interrogated the office bearer lordship about against the petitioner lordship. Petitioners are enquiring the prosecution inspector court lordship,
Heard Mr.
PK Gogoi lordship.
PK Gogoi, learned counsel for the
Shivsagar Police
applicant, and also heard Mr. RJ Boro, learned additional PP for the state respondent.
Shivsagar.
Apprehending arrest in connection with any case lodged with the Shivsagar police station. Three applicants, namely Abhijit Gogoi, Jitamani Gogoi, and Minmoy Borua, have approached this court by filing the present application for grant of periods pay. Mr. Gogoi, learned counsel for the applicant, submits that the applicants are being searched by police and they are not aware of lodging of any FIR with the Shivsagar police station by any person. In view of above, it is provided that learned additional PP shall produce a written report from the officer in search Shivsagar police station as to whether any case has been registered against the present applicant or not, fixing the matter on
Lordship, kindly protect me, lordship.
third.
on
Third.
28,
28. The 28.
Okay.
No,
uh,
29. No.
29.
Lordship, kindly protect me, lordship. In this,
So let the report come.
returnable dead lordship.
Item number 15,
FIR is at page 14 minutes. But what happened? The IO has visited the place of occurrence to investigate the matter and interrogated the cross section of the people regarding the torture alleged against the informant, matter. That is the wife of the wife, in which case they went to investigate. Then, police wanted to take away several persons to the police station. Then there was a demonstration from the local people. At least 50 people gave a demonstration, which the police has colored that person. They wanted to snatch our arms and assaulted us and they touched the collar of our uniform. This is the FIR, page 14, madam. And case has been registered under section 353, 324, 294, 332. One culprit was arrested when he was enlarged on bail, but he was arrested in the year 12/12/23, Ajmal Sheikh.
Well, let the CD come.
Well, CD along with the medical report, madam. There is a false information has been recorded in the FIR,
T24
madam.
is there.
There is an injury on the finger, all these things false, madam. And these people are not involved, madam. Of course, they protested the police action, that is true.
15 Lordship.
50. Sorted. Copy?
May a little earlier, madam. possible.
Yes. No, sorted. We are not protecting them. CD and medical report of the victims, fixing the matter on 40.
Number 53.
May I be heard? My lord, this is, my lord, the fair lordship will find at page, my lord, 10. Now, GP secretary has filed the case against the petitioner. Page 10,
Okay, issue notice to the respondent number 2,
yes.
returnable on law score.
On Lordship. That's it.
On 11th March,
Sorted.
around 7th March.
7 Lordship.
7.
But till then, my lord, some protection may be given. Is a-
Without
my lord,
hearing the other side.
Petitioner is the
It is
mother of
up to a
a
case.
baby, my lord. And my lord, the victim is a mother of a baby.
Sorted copy if possible.
4th March.
4th March.
4th March. In the meantime, learned additional PPCL produce the case diary and the medical report of the victim guard before this court.
My lord, the
Step
Document-
be taken by registered force and also by usual process. And also through the officer insert jurisdiction of PS.
my lord, for a moment, my lord, page 11, we have produced the, my lord, annexed the document which says, my lord, she's measured at the time of her marriage. Page 11, my lord.